Nothing like an M41 tent heater to take the chill out of the air. This is my 1942 Chevrolet 1.5 ton 4x4. It was built in Oakland, California. I started working on this truck in 2009 for a person that didn't want to keep it going, so I bought it. Bed is a composite, 1944. Troop seat hardware is World War II issue and original to the bed. Done quite a bit of work to it this past summer, actually 2019. Have a little bit left to do. Interior of the cab. I found some very rare worn lockout hubs. Paid $250 for the pair. When I was first putting this truck together, the engine was a 1952 to 54 235. Then I found this GM270, which is a first series 1940 to 1942. 99 horsepower. Zoom in on the serial number block. Now up to the valve cover. Burbank Speed and Machine rebuilt the engine from 99 horsepower to 225 horsepower at the flywheel. The radiator was the last hand-built radiator by Burbank Radiator when I lived in Southern California. I think it cost $440 to have it rebuilt. There's the California plate. I have a piece of frame material that I'm going to weld into that hole there. Someone put a worn 12,000 pound winch in that area. I have a correct PTO for it. She's going to be a runner. Found a really rare spare tire carrier right here at a place called Navy City Metals in Bremerton, Washington. I think I paid $3 for it. I had to do some welding and some bending and straightening, but she's in there now. Anyway, all the tires are new. They're 825 by 20s. They're 10 years old, but they have about 2,500 miles on them. Same as the engine. All the wheels have, all the wheels were made by Accuride, and they're a safety design. So tire can't blow off while you're inflating it after you've installed it. Anyway, keep an eye out for updates. This summer's going to be very productive. Just give you a little flash into the future here. This is my M29C Studebaker weasel that I bought. She's going to get a full restoration. Have a lot of parts for it. The driver's side track was broken when I bought it, but I've repaired it since then. This is a Norway return. You can see the Norwegian data plates here, and they put a KMH Speedo in it. I got to be careful not to open that thing or break it, because the numbers are treated with tritium. It's not healthy to ingest tritium. That's so it'll glow at night. Spanning around behind my old Tahoe there is the repaired track. Anyway, thanks for looking.